सामने जो है लोग उसे बुरा कहते हैं, सामने जो है लोग उसे बुरा कहते हैं, जिसे देखा नहीं उसे खुदा कहते हैं. The reflection of what you like to see, if you want to be truthful, if you want hearts you want. If you want respect, then you respect. What beautiful part and the result from 9 standard along with schoolmates, assalamu alaikum everyone. What beautiful part and the result from 9 standard is come on. I'm happy to see you all here, a big thanks. So as we know, all Muslims start our program with the recitation of Holy Quran. So for that purpose, I would like to call Azan Rashid from 8th standard, please come on screen. मोहम्मद से वफातों ये तो हम तेरे हैं, ये तो हाथ में जो हमारे काम तेरे हैं. नमाज के प्रेज ऑफ अलवाइट सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ना लाइफ को दोनों प्रोसेस स्टैंडर्ड प्लीज कमेंट की. I'm so happy to see you all here again. Thank joining this morning assembly. So for topic, I would like to call Arthur from 5th standard, please come on stage. So for this, I would like to call Arthur from 5th standard, please come on stage.